Guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Chris. Anybody that's new to the channel, I'm a dividend value investor. I just love stocks. I love researching stocks, especially these high potential growth stocks like Palantir stock, okay? So in this video, we have a lot of breaking news, a lot of new news to basically update you guys on Palantir stock, okay? A lot of things have gone on with analysts thinking that this company is very bearish, that this company is not worth the current evaluation that it currently is. But I want to give you guys some articles and some new information that could potentially prove all these analysts wrong, showing that Palantir has so much potential and setting themselves up for a great year going into 2021. So stick around, guys. I have a lot of great information for you all. Alright guys, so Palantir Technology is currently trading at $27.75, okay? This is the chart for the basically their last 5 days out here, okay? You can see right here in Monday, the lowest has been was $25.75, and right now it's currently at $27.75, okay? So a $2 increase is a pretty big increase in a week, okay? So there's a lot of things that's going on pertaining to Palantir stock that basically are very good things that are surrounding this company, okay? But I want to show you guys this, what analysts are saying about Palantir stock, okay? So we can see right here on the bottom right hand corner, 1 being a strong buy and 5 being a sell. Analysts have Palantir as a 3, meaning it's a hold, okay? Out of all the analysts that have Palantir, they have a low price target of $10 and a high price target of $18 with an average of $15, okay? So analysts in a way are bearish on this company with the current price tag of $27.75, okay? So Palantir right now, as it currently stands, is outperforming and proving all these analysts is wrong, okay? But one of the main reasons to why there are a lot of analysts saying that Palantir is not worth the current evaluation that it is one of the main reasons because of its potential customers, okay? There hasn't been any sort of room or significance showing that Palantir is being diverse when it comes to their potential customers, okay? But I want to come out on record and say this, guys. Palantir Technologies has so many potential clients. There's so many potential clients out there, especially with their data software analytics that they are offering. They are not just a government-based company, okay? They have so many things that they could offer their clients. So I want to show you guys this article. When it comes to Palantir stock, Palantir closes out 2020 with nearly $150 million in new government contracts, okay? And if you are a Palantir Technology shareholder, seeing this number in the very last couple weeks of the month of the year is great news, okay? They're closing out the year with $150 million worth of contracts, okay? So there were 2 big contracts that were announced and finally closed, okay? Number 1 being that Palantir continues vital NHS work with $31.5 million contract, okay? So this article is in the Palantir Investors Relations, so anybody could go to Palantir's Investors Relations and find these articles, okay? It's under news and under new releases, and it's there, okay? So this is one of the first big ones that was basically under Investors Relations, that they're continuing the contract with the NHS. Palantir Technologies UK has signed a new 2-year contract worth up to 31.5 with the UK's National Health Services, okay? And this is huge, okay? So you could see it's not just for governments, they're also using it in the medical field as well. But this one right here, the NHS personnel will use Palantir Foundry to understand how COVID-19 is spreading, identifying risk to particularly vulnerable populations, proactively increase health and care resources in emerging hotspots, ensure critical equipment is supplied to the facilities with the greatest need, and driven patients and services users to facilities that are best capable for their care, okay? So you could just see, remember, Palantir is a data analytics company that helps with analytics and numbers, okay? So COVID-19, in a way, it kind of helped speed up the Palantir growth, okay? Because stuff like this. Now you could see how COVID is spreading in certain areas, and then how certain companies or certain healthcare providers could perform to help beat COVID-19, okay? So $31.5 million for 2 years is pretty good in my opinion. Their second big contract, this is probably one of the biggest contracts that they had, was the Army Vantage reaffirms Palantir partnerships with a $114 million agreement, okay? So if you guys have been following Palantir for a long time, like I have now, if you guys looked at the Q3 earnings, you could notice that Palantir did announce that they had a $458 million contract in the works with the Army Vantage, okay? But it was 1 year locked in and with 3 years an optional, okay? And if everything goes according to plan, the whole contract is worth up to $458 million. Last year they completed the first year, and this year they are opting in and they're continuing this contract, and this contract is worth up to $113.8 million. Vantage is powered by Palantir software, which provides a central operating system that enhances readiness and offers near real-time visibility and access to disparate Army data sources on an integrated data platform. The Palantir platform enables organizations to make better use of the data they have by breaking down silos and offering a single operating picture, okay? So this is gonna help basically make faster decisions, okay? It's better for decision makings. So, you know, with those two contracts, it's really big, okay? And just by the Army Vantage agreeing to their second year, it just shows you how great the quality of products and services that Palantir is actually offering, okay? So they already have 114 locked in for the beginning of 2021, so they're going to continue to perform, okay? And with the other contract, the $31.5 million contract, they are set 150 million right off the bat, and that is huge, great news, okay? And I want to show you guys one last article before we finally sign off, and it's this one. Will Palantir stock reach $50 by 2022? Okay, guys. So I found this article pretty interesting. If anybody's interested into reading it, getting it more in depth, it's offered in Yahoo Finance on the Palantir. So it was a survey done by Benzinga that they do surveys every week with hot stocks and current stocks, and they surveyed a group over 200 investors on if Palantir stock will reach $50 by 2022. Okay, and I found it a very interesting read. It gives you some information relating to the company, how it started, some background information to how the company started when they first started trading, and how they're actually doing. Basically giving some opinions on Palantir stock, okay? And overall, they did find that there was one big thing that could potentially hold this company back. And I did kind of find it interesting because it's probably one of the main reasons why a lot of analysts are bearish on this company, okay? Can Palantir stock be free cash flow heavy going into 2021? Okay, if they could make more revenue and more profit going into 2021, this company can have more free cash flow in order to reinvest back into the company, or maybe even start, to make brand new services for more clients. One of the biggest things right now is the potential clients. And I do feel that in 2021, they will have a lot more potential clients on the board and on the map ready to sign contracts with Palantir stock, okay? Maybe this 1 year in the market was just, I guess, a trial and error run in the first couple months. But going into 2021, you can see that $150 million contracts, they are ready to load and cock back and shoot for the stars. I do believe that $50 by 2022 is kind of a slap in the mouth for Palantir, because I personally have $50 almost by the end of 2021. If they could somehow increase the revenues and have more free cash flow on hand and get more potential clients just like any other business, but if they could lock in more contracts like the Army Vantage contract, they'll be ready to go and continue to outperform the market and prove all these analysts wrong. In my opinion, guys, I'm gonna continue to buy Palantir stock. Just wait on me personally. I'm just waiting for a little bit of a dip, and I'm gonna continue to buy more shares of Palantir stock. I do feel, in my opinion, it's a very exciting company to watch and just research and just get a lot of information from. It's one of these big software data companies that's, as we all know, data software has been kicking butt lately, and Palantir is one of these stocks that a lot of people aren't really talking about. Yeah, they're looking at it, but they haven't really bought into it. Why? Because they're not 100% sure. Remember, guys, if more investors are not really sure about a company, in my opinion, you should really go in, because there's also a fear of missing out on particular companies and not really making the profit. Me personally, my average share price on Palantir right now is around $19.56, but I will continue to buy more shares, and obviously my average cost will continue to rise and increase, okay? So that's basically the video, guys. I do hope you guys enjoy the video and the 3 articles that I kind of showed you, and showed you guys the potential growth of Palantir stock, okay? And some concerns that does have with this company. But remember, if you're a Palantir bull, Palantir is more of a long-term play anyways, okay? So I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys got a lot of great value and information from this video. And anybody's interested in continuing the videos that I'm producing and want to be part of our growing community, please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, smash the like button. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Be kind to one another. Till next time, guys. Peace.